Hello and welcome to Homesteader Ryan's YouTube page. So this is the stove that heats our house. It's a masonry heater that I designed and built for us. Alright, here you can see the burn chamber after our last fire. Okay, so we have the paper loaded up and this is the wood that we use. It's just standing. Now the temperature today outside is low 20s. It's 22 to 25 degrees. Inside the firebox. Okay, as you can see, the fire's burning pretty good now. I'm going to take a look up towards the top. I'm going to see kind of where the smoke is going. As you can see, that's the smoke path right up there. It travels on a slope right up into the flue. So as you can see, we have a roaring fire. And then we look at the temperature on the chimney. And right now, she's just over 100 degrees. So roaring fire. And I can hold my hand on the chimney. Now all of that heat is being stored in the stove. Okay, so we've started the burn cycle and we have a little laser thermometer thing here. So we're gonna see right on the door, which is always the hottest part of the stove. Looks like we're running about 320 degrees. Now because we've just started the fire, the masonry hasn't heated up yet. It's still warm from yesterday morning's firing. So we're at 85 degrees. And then right where the smoke comes out of the top of that is going to be pretty darn hot a little bit later on. Right now it's still 67 degrees. The chimney, about 150 degrees. So the chimney's heating up a little bit. Now the difference between this stove and a regular wood stove is a regular wood stove is small and has small surface area and puts off really high heat. The masonry stove has a large surface area and puts off a much milder heat, and so there's almost no risk of getting burned from the outside of the stove. Okay, we're 20 minutes into the burn cycle now and we're going to shoot some temperatures. So on the door, still about 370, almost 380 degrees right there on the door. And that's just a single skin 1/8 inch panel. On the front of the brick, we're about 115 or so degrees. On the top, about 95. The front of the honeycombs, we're running about 75, 80 degrees. Maybe a little bit hotter down in there. It's where the hottest gases are passing through. And then on the chimney, still about 150 degrees. Okay, one of the cool features about this masonry stove that you don't normally get with other wood stoves or masonry stoves is that, as you can see here, the design allows for the front to stay open. If you want to, it can also act as an open fireplace. You can cook in it. We cook s'mores and stuff like that in ours all the time. It works out pretty good. But as you can see, it draws exceptionally well. Right now the smoke is just going up and out the chimney because I have the bypass damper open. And that's just a testament of how well this stove actually draws. You can just leave the front door open and have an open fireplace just for the fun of it. If you thought this video was useful, like it and we'll make some more. Thanks for watching.